Dan. Right, Dad. And then for the right, and the real ding ding. The clock contains for the line. Now for the ding dong. Next order. Entering Porter Square. Change here for the clear rail. The destination train is last month. Fit covers on J vehicles and in stations. Next stop, Harvard Square. Ding. Next stop, North Quincy. Face covers on MBTA vehicles and in stations. Ding. Approaching North Quincy. Doors will open on the left. Change here for bus connections. This is North Quincy. This is the train is range. Next stop, Wollaston. Face approaching Wollaston. Doors will open on the left. Change here for bus connections. And this is Wellington. The destination of this train is Braintree. Next stop, Quincy Center. Approaching Quincy Center. Left. Change here. Bus connection. Peckham Rail. This is Quincy Center. Train is Braintree. Stop, Quincy Adams. Ding. Approaching Quincy Center. Left. Quincy Adams. Left. Change here for bus connections. This is Quincy Adams. This train is Braintree. Next and last stop, Braintree. Approaching Braintree. Left or right. Change. Oh, this is last stop. This is Braintree. This is the last stop. Thank you for riding with me. Ib.